Honestly, this is why a lot of girls don't go to the gym, because our bags weigh 10-15 pounds. So we're lifting weights all day long. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to share with you what is kind of like a what's in my bag, but also how to organize a big bag, like a hollow bag. To show you, this is my purse. This is a Longchamp bag. I bought this in Europe. I have a little bird poo stain on it, so I'm glad I didn't get the light blue one. There it is there. I need to clean it up a little bit more. But anyway, it is a very, very pretty bag. Very, very practical. I've been wanting this bag since I was 16 years old. And I'm very happy with it. But one thing when I first started using it is I kind of got a little frustrated because it was hard to grab things. Like if I needed to pay for something and I needed to quickly grab my wallet, I was digging through everything in it and it was just getting really, really frustrating. So I did a little DIYs and all that stuff. Well, not really DIYs, just kind of taking other things to use for other things. I don't know. Anyway, if you keep on watching, you will see what I'm talking about. So let's just get into the video. This is my bag. You open it up and then you unzip it and it looks like this. So right now it looks very empty and there's a lot of room for activities. Which I like to have it like that. It's just easy because at work it gets really, really cold and I need to have a sweater with me. So I always have like a cardigan or a sweater just in there, and if it's too cluttered and everything, I'm like shoving everything in. So to have an open area so I can throw in my sweater is very ideal for me. Another thing is I also have my water bottle. It's quite large and very in charge. So actually I need to refill it because I've had that much. But that's just easy to throw in. It goes the length of the bag and I can still zip it up with the water bottle standing up straight. So that is a plus and everything. So the sweater is all that's kind of out and everything. So in the bag, now it doesn't look like there's a huge amount, but I do have my wallet. So in my wallet I have my cash, I have my Canadian Tire money, debit, Visa, license, everything that's in your wallet that you need, a ton of gift cards that I have not used or that have like $2 left on them, and a lot of rewards cards that I don't need. But anyway, okay, now getting into the other things, I have my keys and my glasses because I'm blind in terms of like driving, so I have to wear these and all that. So I have a lot of like miscellaneous things that I keep in my purse. I have a lot of, you know, I'll have some of my makeup, some of like Advil or Tylenol, I'll have snacks or something, and those lying around in the bottom of my bag, they tend to get smushed, they tend to break or can explode. So I was with Ipsy for a while. I stopped Ipsy. But one thing with Ipsy is you got a makeup bag every single month, and I just had so many makeup bags that I was giving them to friends. I was like, please just take them off of my hands because it's just too much for someone to have. So I decided to use these Ipsy bags to put my miscellaneous things in my bag, which is my sole reason as to why there's so much space in my big bag, and it all works out. So I'll start off with this one because this is my favorite bag. This is my bag of snacks. I have a little box of raisins. I have a Eat Naked Coca Delight bar, which is literally just, I think it's like cocoa and dates, cashews, raisins, and cocoa. So I was quite happy about that. A little ketchup packet thing, because you never know when you're going to want ketchup. A juice box, you know, the added sugar, and a fig bar. So that all fits nicely in this little pouch here. And it all has its little area. So instead of me saying, oh, I'm really hungry, but I don't have enough time to go home and make a snack, and I don't want to spend $9 on a meal or something like that, I can grab one of these. So I'm quite happy that this is stocked with healthy snacks and a ketchup packet. So that is in that bin, or bag. And then in this bag, I have all of my like makeup, emergency things. So I have my feminine period products. I can say that, right? I don't care. This is a tampon, this is a pad. I use those once a month. I have my hand sanitizer, I have a little thing of mascara, I have my puffer, I have hand cream. I don't know why that took me forever to think of that, but that's hand cream. I have a little lip balm, like tinted lip balm. It's that Sugar Fresh one in the shade Petal. It's really pretty. And then I have a little concealer. This is the I don't know how to say that. Tres Sequins? I have no idea. But it's like a concealer crayon. So that all goes in this little baggie. And I did have Tylenol and I did have Kleenex and everything, but I did take that out because my friend needed it last week and I just forgot to put it in. Now cleaning up my bag. So yeah, so those two things are in that bag there, and then just loosely I have my EpiPen just so it's easy to grab in case I need it. And I also have a pen. So then I also have a journal that I throw in and I keep in there. This has been with me since, what's the first date? August 2nd, 2016. And I'm here in it. Like I'm running out of room. And this was my favorite journal. It's not because of what's in it or anything like that. It's just how I can write on it. Like, you know how pages and are different like textures or styles that it doesn't, like, you never write the same on it. This is beautiful. My writing always looks so good on it. It's so smooth. It's amazing. And indigo, I need to find the Mara Me collection again because this is the best journal I've ever written in, or like notebook. So I'm very happy about this. I write in this all the time. I kind of write down what I'm feeling. I write down lists. I make a ton of lists. Like the other day, I sat there and like this was my whole, oh, there's a Sudoku from the newspaper. But like, so I'll just write down video ideas. I'll write down just lists. Like this was just open to a random page and it came down to my Sephora VIB picks and I wrote down what I wanted and I wrote down my reasoning for wanting them. I didn't end up getting them all because they're very expensive even with the 10% off you get. But it was just, you know, I was trying to convince myself and like to buy them, but I didn't actually buy anything from that. Oh, I bought a few things from that sale actually. What am I talking about? But everything that was on that wants list was not on there because it was not a need. But anyway, like the other day as I was saying, I wrote down my ultimate game cupboard board games. I have like Quirkle on there, I have Guess Who, I have Scattergories, I have Pictionary, I have Life, I have Spotted, Anomia, What Do You Meme, like all these games. I just sat there, I'm like, oh, that would be so good. And then I was like, let's go one step further and see how much they are. So if you're curious, because this is how my brain works, it will cost me $760.72 to get all the games that I want. So yeah, that's how I relieve stress, that's how I take up time. That is what I do. I make lists of the most random things possible, and then I decide to do research on them. So that's who I am. Yeah, so that's kind of everything that's in my purse. I do have a little pocket up here with some more Sudokus, a prescription for my glasses because I need to get sunglasses, and then I have my headphones for my phone, not my laptop. But yeah, but my laptop does fit in here sometimes, but I usually just kind of take a backpack for that kind of stuff. So, and I just throw everything back in here, just like that, and it is all fine and dandy. My phone just goes in there, and with everything being in a compartment and like a bag, I can easily grab my phone and be like, oh no, that's my granola bar, oh no, those are my keys. Like, it's easy as can be. I was like, what can I make it? What's easy? That's everything that is in my bag, or kind of like how to style, or not how to style, how to have a big bag but still make the most out of it and not have to be like searching through everything and be like, I have all this space, let's throw everything and make it a Mary Poppins bag. Because you can still make it a Mary Poppins bag without being cluttered. Yeah, so that's everything in my bag. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know if I'm missing anything oh, I'm missing gum. I don't have any gum. I usually keep that in my snacks. Alright, heading to the drugstore to go get some gum now. But yeah, that's... Am I missing anything else? Let me know in the comments. I just thought of Tic Tacs too. I'm getting sidetracked and I need to go because, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next video.